RSS feeds, otherwise known as really simple syndication, are web feed formats used to publish frequently updated content, like blog entries, news articles, audio, and video, for example. You can create RSS feeds using the RSS Feeds module located in the Marketing tab of PLUJO. Before looking at the module, let's look at an example of a website that's creating an RSS feed. The author of this website writes several blog entries which she wishes to make available to other websites. Using PLUJO, an RSS feed has been created, which can be accessed by clicking this RSS button. The result is an XML document, which is made available to other websites, simply by accessing this URL address. And in doing so, they can then access all of the information within this XML document, posting these blogs to their website. Let's take a look and see how PLUJO does this. Again, in the Marketing tab, you can access the RSS Feeds module. And within this module, you're first introduced to an RSS feed. In this case, you can see the title, the description of the feed. You can change its status, making it active or not, as well as the date that it was posted. You can also delete a feed by clicking on the delete icon. Let's take a look at the information within this RSS feed. As you saw, the title is added here, as well as the description. Under the Settings tab, you can determine which module this content will be coming from. If we go back to the Content tab and look at the actual blog module, you can see that all of the blog entries were created here in the blog module. The RSS feed is simply taking this information. As indicated by the blog module being selected, you could select any number of the active modules within the site if you wanted to. You can also determine whether the status will be active or inactive at this point, as well as the number of items. In this case, because it's a blog, we'll be posting 10 blog items. The URL name is the name of the page in which the XML document can be found. The RSS feed will always need to reference the full URL address, but you can see the page name or URL name here. Under the Advanced tab, you have the option of showing the description or not, and the description, of course, is found in the Content tab. You can also determine whether you're going to show media, being images or video, and whether you'd like to show the publish date. If you make any changes, you can save your work by clicking on the orange Save button. In this case we haven't, so we'll simply back out. To see an RSS feed in action, we'll go to this site, where they're showing the latest blog entry on their home page. In summary, RSS feeds can be used to publish content that other websites can then use to post on their pages. In this case, we've seen blog entries that were able to be posted on the home page of another site.